Refining of crude petroleums. Petroleum is a mixture of many organic compounds. Purification of petroleum and separation of its constituents into useful products is called refining of petroleum. The process of refining involves 3 steps. 1. Separation of water. 2. Removal of sulfur compounds. And 3. Fractionalization. Separation of water. Crude oil is a stable mixture of oil and salt water. To separate water, the petroleum is flown between 2 highly charged electrodes. Water drops are fumed and are separated out. Removal of sulfur compounds. The oil, free from water, is treated with copper oxide. The sulfur-containing petroleum reacts with copper oxide to form copper sulfide precipitate. This precipitate is removed by filtration. Fractionation. The crude oil is heated up to 400 degrees Celsius in iron still. All the constituents are evaporated except for the residue called asphalt. The vapor is passed through the fractionalization column. The fractionation column is a tall, cylindrical tower. It contains a number of horizontal stainless steel trays. Each tray is provided with a chimney which is covered by a loose cap. Fractions having 2 high boiling points condense first at the lower trays, and fractions having low boiling points condense at the higher trays. After fractionation, the principal products obtained are uncondensed gas, fuel; petroleum ether, solvent; naphtha, fuel and solvent; kerosene, motor fuel; diesel oil, fuel for diesel engines; heavy oil, lubricating oil; and residue, road tar.